Hello everyone and welcome back to my class. In this video I will cover class 7 maths chapter number 3, data handling, exercise 3.2. So for the previous exercise, if you want to watch, you can go to my YouTube channel and you can find it there. Here I will explain exercise 3.2. Question number 1. The score in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students. So total marks is how much? Out of 25 and total student is 15 student. Okay, the score of the mathematics test is given here. 19, 25, 23, 20, 9, 20, then 15, 10, 5, 16, 25, 20, 24, 12, 20. So these are the marks scored by 15 students. Now find the mode and median of the data. Are they same? Now in previous exercise we deal only with mean and range, isn't it? In 3.1 we studied how to find range and mean, arithmetic mean. Now here we have to find what? Mode and median. Okay, mode and median. So mode means you have to arrange all this given observation in ascending order and you have to see which value occur many time, which value will occur obtain many time, that number will be the mode and the exactly middle number will be the median. Okay, I will show you with the solution. So the score of 15 students in mathematics test are these are, isn't it? These are given there. Now arrange this score in an ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. Which one is small here? 5, isn't it? 5, then next 9, 12, sorry 10, then 12. In this way you have to arrange all the given data in ascending order. So you can see here we have arranged all the value in ascending order. Now how many 5 is there? Only one 5. How many 9? Only one 9. How many 10? Only one, isn't it? How many 12? Only one. 15 also only one. Now 16 is also only one time and 19 also only one student got. But 20, how many student got? 4 student score is 20 and 2 students score 25. Now which value occur many times, that number will be what? Mode, isn't it? So mode of the given data is that value of observation which occur for the most number of time. So most number of time which occur, it is 20, isn't it? So 20 will be the mode. Median of a given data is middle observation when the data is arranged in ascending or descending order. When you will arrange this in ascending or descending order and the exactly middle number, exactly the middle one will be the median. So as there are 15 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be 8 observation. Why 8 observation? Because 15, how you will do? How many term is there? 15. Now you will do 15 plus 1 is equal to how much? 16, isn't it? 16 divide 2 is how much? 8. What you will do? You will plus 1 with the number of the observation and you have to divide with 2. So how much we got? 8, isn't it? So from here the 8 terms. From here the 8 terms will be the median. Hence the median is equal to how much? 20. So also it can be observed that 20 occur 4 times. So 20 occur how many times? 4 times. That is maximum number of time. Therefore the mode of this data is what? 20. And one question was asked, as they are same. So what you have to write? Yes, both are same because median is also 20 and mode is also 20. So they are same. Question number 2. The run score in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So these are the runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players. So 11 players got different score. Now you have to find mean, mode and median of this data, and are the three same, and you have to see these three value are same or not. Okay, mean, mode and median. So mean we know how to find, isn't it? What is the mean formula? Sum of all the observation divided by number of the observation. So the runs scored by 11 players are 6, 15, 120, 50, 180, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. So these are the numbers. Now what you will do? Arrange all this number in ascending order. So you will arrange all this number ascending order in this way. Now mean. First we will find mean, isn't it? So mean is equal to sum of all the numbers. So you will plus all these numbers, 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15, again plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 and plus 120, and divided by 11 because there are 11 players. So if you will plus all this number, how much you will get? 429. 429 divided by 11, you will get 39. So mean value is how much? 39. And again what we have to find? Mode, isn't it? So we know what is the mode. The number which will occur most number of times. So which number come many times? 15, isn't it? 15 occur how many times? 3 times. So mode is equal to, you will write, okay, you will write mode is equal to how much? 15. So mode value will be 15. Then again median. So total number is how much? 11. Now 11 plus 1 is how much? 12. Isn't it? 11 plus 1 is 12. 12 divided 2 is how much? 6. Now count from here. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means the 6th number. Or else from here 5 and from here 5. So which one is the middle? So 15 is the middle one, isn't it? So the median value will be median is equal to how much? Median is equal to 15. Now in the last question, are the three same? Now three, only mode and median are same, isn't it? Mode and median is how much? 15, but mean is how much? 39. So they are not equal. Question number 3. The weight in kg of 15 students of a class are given, isn't it? Means the weight of 15 students in kg it is given. That means 38 kg and 42 kg, 35, 37, 45, 50. In this way all the values are given here. Now you have to find the mode and median of this data. And is there more than one mode? Means you have to find, is there any numbers which occur same time? As many as means same time. If the one number is occurring 4 times and one more number is also there which occur 4 times, is there any number? You have to see. Now first what you will do, you will arrange all the number in ascending order. First of all what we need to do is we have to arrange this weight in ascending order. Ascending order means what? We know small to big. Small to what? Big. Now what you will do, you will see which number is occurring as many time, isn't it? So 38 occur how many time? 38 occurred 3 time. In the same way 43 also occur how many time? 3 times. So 38 is also mode and 43 is also mode. So the mode value will be how much? The mode value will be 38 and 43. You can see here. You can see this line. Observe that 38 and 43 both occur how many times? 3 times. So maximum number of time. Therefore mode of this data is 38 and 43. And we know median. Median, how to count median? So total is how much? 15 students, isn't it? Now 15 plus 1 is 16. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 divided 2 is how much? 8. 16 divided 2, 8. Now you have to count 8 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Now this is 8 term, isn't it? So this 8 term will be your, this 8 term will be your what? Sorry. 8 term will be what? 40. Okay, 8 term will be not 38, it will be 40, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Now 8 term is how much? 40. So 40 is what? Mean. So this two line, no need of writing. Okay, you can write directly. As there are 15 terms in the given data, therefore the median of this data will be how much? Median of this data will be the 8 observation. So 8 observation is how much? 40, isn't it? 8 observation is 40. So median value is 40 and the mode value is 38 and 43. And 3 number question, what it ask? It ask, is there more than one mode? Yes, there are more than one mode, because how many mode we got? We got 2 mode, isn't it? So there are more than one mode. So what are they? 38 and 43. So yes, there are 2 mode for the given data. Now come to next question, question number 4. Find the mode and median of the data. So this question is homework. Okay, this is very easy. So this question will be homework. So mode means what? First you have to arrange this number in ascending order, and median means the exactly middle one. Now come to next question. True or false? Tell whether the statement is true or false. True or false? Tell whether the statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the number in a data. Yes, true, isn't it? Because mode will be from one of the number from the given data. Now second one, the mean is one of the number in the data. So this will be what? False. This will be false, because the mean value will be sometime difference. Now the median is always one of the number in the data. Yes, this one is also true, because median will also be one of the number from the given data. The data 6, 4, 3, 8, 9, 12, 13, 9 has mean 9. So is the mean value is 9? We have to find. How you will find? 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 8 plus 9 plus 12 plus 13 and plus 9, and you will divide with how many value? How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you will divide this number with 8. So when you divide, when you plus all this number, how much we got? 64. When you divide 64 with 8, you will get how much? 8. Now 8 is the mean, not 9. So question number 4 will be what? False. This answer will be false. So thank you all of you for watching this video. In my next video, I will come with the next exercise 3.3.